So, Huawei's been teasing its new Huawei Watch GT 5, which they're officially dropping on September 19th in Barcelona. They've given us a little sneak peek at the design, but if you're hoping for a big makeover, you might want to lower those expectations. It's not too different from the GT 4. Now, if you've seen the Huawei Watch GT 4, you know it had a lot going for it. Affordable price? Check. Battery life that lasts for weeks? Check. Customization options? Definitely. But there was still room for improvement, especially in the hardware and software departments, so we're curious to see what Huawei's cooking up this time. From what's leaked so far, the GT 5 sticks to the same 41 and 46mm sizes. However, we might see a cool new feature, a 12-channel sensor. This would be a first for Huawei. And there's also a new type of glass on the back that's supposed to block out ambient light, which can mess with the optical sensors. Design-wise, the 41mm model is still rocking that classic circular look, while the 46mm keeps its more sporty octagonal shape. The watch's rotating crown and the standard button are still there, giving it that familiar vibe. But as for what's under the hood, we're not hearing anything groundbreaking. Huawei might just stick with the same displays and batteries they used last time around. So what's exciting about the GT 5? It seems like the big changes are happening on the software side, especially with health and fitness tracking. There's a new system called TrueSense, which should give faster and more accurate sensor readings. Plus, they're introducing a feature called Health Glance, which gives you easy-to-read, actionable health insights. It'll track all the usual stuff: heart rate, SpO2, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and even body temperature. But the sensors and algorithms have been fine-tuned to give you better, more reliable data. And that's a wrap. We'll find out soon enough if the Huawei Watch GT 5 lives up to the hype. What do you guys think? Excited for the launch or sticking with your current watch? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. See you next time.